Today we got the Redmi Note 10. Keep entering the menu or the boot menu. Seems that the power button is not working. I can't even press it. So let's fix this problem. Alright, let's just heat the pack. This device seems was open before. I was able to see some repair attempt or opened attempt. Anyway, let's try to pull. This is the plastic, so be careful not to melt that plastic with the heat. I use 150 Celsius degree to try remove the pack. Keep removing from all the edges. This is the adhesive. I'm going to use also some alcohol to remove the adhesive fast. This phone is keeping restarting. If I press volume down or volume up, I may cause to delete all the data with the phone. I hope that never or the customer didn't press anything, so the data is still on the phone. We hope the best for the customer. We are here to making our job. I can't do anything, just to heat and remove the back and start to remove the battery. This is what I can do at first. There is no anything else I can do before, to be honest. Alright, let's now remove all the screws. We have fingerprint flex cable connected to the frame that we will remove in the few seconds. We have, this is the camera holder. Seems there is a screw there in the middle, so this is how it moves. Be careful to remove the screws. We have one screw here under the shield, the camera. Let's remove the down screws. Now let's remove the SIM card tray. This is important. Now we will remove, remember that we have flex cable of the fingerprint flex cable to the frame that we will remove now. Always be patient. Don't be in hurry. We are here to fix. If we damage something, we may replace it from our cost, and this is not relevant to the customer unless there is a risk of the phone while we are doing it. But being uncautious, I don't know what the word is, we may have to do it from our side. Alright, now this is we don't need. We have now the power button on the phone. I'm not going to remove that whole power button. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 buttons. That the volume down, volume up, and this is the power button. We have here, it's the black adhesive. Let's try remove this button without removing all the flex from its position. I may remove it faster if I remove the board and remove then the flex cable, but I don't know why I wanted to do this without removing it. Anyway, this is the soldering iron. We can try to remove the black adhesive first. After that we will remove the power button itself. This job needs some experience. We don't need to touch anything. We don't need to touch the screen or the battery, or we may do some damage, so you have to be cautious while you are doing that. This is low melt soldering, so we can remove the power button easily, but the adhesive that on that power button is very noisy and making too much work to do. We are keep moving. We remove the half of the button. We just need to keep doing that to melt all of everything and remove the power button. it comes apart. We just have a right and left pads. We don't have anything more in the middle. But I don't know, they are not removed one piece. This happens of the black adhesive. Alright, keep doing. Let's use the wick. We were able to remove the soldering, but we still have black adhesive. I'm going to use every method. This is the tweezer to remove the black. I will try do our job to make it perfect. I'm not going to damage anything. I may don't have the whole flex if I damaged the lines. So you have to be cautious. So if you don't know what you do, so just replace the whole flex cable. Order a new one and fix your issue. You don't have to be doing as what I did. This is some extra job for who know the experience or have the parts also to replace that power button. Alright. Now we are left with the adhesive and the pads are clean and everything perfect now. Just we are going to put the new one. This is a new power button. We just need to solder it. Alright, now I need something to hold the phone. I can't hold the phone and hold the power button to solder it. So I need someone to help me. Alright, seems I'm controlling this. Let's put some soldering to the tip and solder this one. Be careful that the power button can't be melt if you put too much heat on it. So you may be able to replace it again with a new one. So you have to be fast and know where to put your tip. Also you need a micro soldering view so you can see what you are doing and micro soldering tip. Alright, that's because I don't have someone to help me. I'm taking a long time to connect this power button. I should just be able to control the power button with the tweezer and solder from right to the left, and that's it. And someone holding the phone for me because it's moving. Alright, it's moved again. This is low melt soldering, so it keep melting from the two sides. I think it's perfect now from the left. Yeah, it's perfect, and the right, it's perfect. Let's tap it. Alright. Alright, seems perfect now. I'm going now to test the power button to see if everything is working properly and customer data is stored on the phone. I hope the best for the customer. Oh, we have a screen now. Do we have a screen? Yes. Yes, we have a screen, but with low brightness. Alright, the customer will be happy of that. She didn't do anything bad by pressing any buttons, and I didn't make anything, so this is perfect. Now I'm going to put the frame back, screw all the screws down, and end this video. That was for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.